All right, so I just thought I'd come back out in the garage, kind of go through a couple of different things that I've been picking up. So I picked up some stuff from minispares and of course from DJ's Minis in Tampa. This is the engine mount bolt kit for the front of the car. New tower bolts. I've also picked up subframe kit. Picked up bushings for the tower bolts. And stuff for the steering rack. So I have a new steering rack. We'll go through maybe a video of that later this afternoon of install, but I'm going to put a new steering rack. So I got new bolts, new foam washers and everything, new bolts to put it on. So we'll put it aside for now. We'll get some stuff for the shifter linkage, new bushings for the shifter linkage, some backup because I end up buying more than I need. Rubber bushings for tower bolts. Stuff for the headliner, we'll get back to that later. Not doing that right now. Also doing stuff, body seams, clips. So I've got those in stainless. Stuff for the steering rack, which is going to go with this piece here. Got stuff for cables, a variety of miscellaneous bolts. More stuff for steering. Yeah, so just kind of going through, making sure everything's labeled in baggies. I know exactly what I'm working on, when I'm working on it. Also going to do this today. Got stuff, new bolts and new dowels or shims, if you will, or dowels for the steering arm. So when those come back from powder coating, those will go on. Those actually will go on here in the hubs. So I have the old ones in there now just to let no debris and everything gets in there, but dowels, new bolts will go into the hubs. This is of course for the disc brake conversion, so I'm moving the Mini from drum over into disc. Yeah, just a couple of little miscellaneous washers and nuts to help install. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of different projects this afternoon, or it's tonight. Gonna go and put on the new brake valve on the firewall. I'm going to install the new steering rack. So we'll take care of that, come back and talk to you guys later. Thanks.